Look at this master suite. Gorgeous. Spacious. Right? The bed is massive. There's plenty of room to walk around. It feels like a dream. But stop right there. Did you actually believe that? You aren't looking at a real living space. You're looking at a stage. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on staging. I'll show you how designers use shrinking furniture to make a shoebox look like a palace. And if you miss trick number 3, you might buy a house that won't even fit your actual sofa. Trick number 1, the shrinking furniture. In model homes, designers rarely use standard sizes. That bed you think is a queen? It's often 6 inches narrower than a real one. The goal? To create negative space around the bed, tricking your brain into thinking the room is huge. My advice? Don't trust your eyes. Bring your own tape measure and compare it to the furniture you actually own. Trick 2. The missing doors. Have you ever noticed that most rooms in model homes don't have doors? Designers remove them to improve flow, but the real reason is much sneakier. They're hiding the fact that the doors would clash. In tight layouts, opening the bedroom door might completely block the bathroom hallway. Always visualize where the door swings before you sign that contract. Trick 3. The Mirror Mirage. Trick number 3 is the oldest one in the book, the Mirror Mirage. They place massive, floor-to-ceiling mirrors directly opposite the windows. Why? To bounce the light and create a virtual window. Your brain interprets that reflection as an extension of the room. Remember, you're buying the drywall, not the reflection. Don't let a mirror double the price of a tiny room. Trick 4. The lighting bomb. Why do these houses always look so bright? Because they're blasting every corner with 4,000 Kelvin bulbs, even in broad daylight. High-intensity lighting hides paint defects and eliminates the shadows that usually reveal how small a space really is. Pro tip: ask to turn off all the lights. Look at the house in natural light to see the dark truth of what you're actually buying. Buying a home is emotional, but don't let these tricks empty your wallet. In the next video, I'm exposing the lipstick on a pig disaster. Those flipped houses that look shiny, but are rotting underneath. Hit that subscribe button so you don't fall for the next trap. See you in the next one.